leave you in a second.
I'm gonna air leak.
What's that?
I'm gonna air leak. Congratulations.
I do?
Did you whip out a...
How bad is it?
I can figure that out. See that hose?
Yeah.
Just came from...
I'll get Paul and tell him about it. Probably just needs to be tightened up with a screwdriver.
I've got a great... What's your name?
Well, a hell of a lot cooler in this booth than it is outside here. Jeez.
What's your guess? No, I'm just gonna They're not. I thought that's what you just said.
Touchdowns in history on one video cassette.
I hope so.
Well, this is where our logs come from. Lots of logs we got. Logs upon logs upon. Where's our cat? There's the apprentice used for fixing logs when they screw up on the brow. That's all sawdust, piles and piles and piles of it. Hey, no, Paul. I don't know where he is. Oh. Got a fire.
Oh.
Here's Roger. Fucking Gordon, bringing on the log. Hey, Gordon. All right, Gordon, how come you scrape the logs in the dirt like that, man?
Waste time. What, we broke down?
I don't know, he says he's got a fire out here. Normal breakdown. Was there a fire there, Raj?
Almost.
Almost. There's Fix It All Paul down there.
I got my foot on the pedal right now.
There's a saw blade. Used one. do have park on the wall.
Paul's out there fixing a fire.
Fire?
Yeah, he said he had a fire out there. One of the debarker motors. They're running the valve out there.
Oh, great. That's all we need.
The gang saw really ain't doing much today, are they? Gang saw.
I heard that air leak and I was like, what the hell? I thought it was the vodka, you know how sometimes you can hear it over there?
Yeah. I get them out here all the time, Chris. These boats have been packed up so many times over here, they ain't funny. They always fall apart. Yeah. Yeah. Sucks.
Oh, here comes that mighty maintenance man.
Oh yeah, there he is. I got him. There's Darren. Yay, he's gonna fix it. Go get it, Darren. Getting pretty close to fuck off time again. Valve's all empty.